We're going to do a brief video on Under Armour stock. That's UAA stock, and we've got a daily chart here with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. This is an interesting stock today. You notice up substantially. Under Armour's up 16%. It's $1.17, $8.27 a share. Daily range mid sevens and the high $8.29. Volume is 6.6 million shares on an average daily volume of 7.4. And it's about 15 of 11. So Under Armour is having a big rally today. Let's take a quick look at it. We can look at, real quick, a daily chart, and we will see that this stock is still in a bear market. It's been in a bear market since about December of 21, but it's making its stab at getting out. It put in a bottom right about here on September 30th, which is unusual. Most of them put in a bottom on the 13th of October, and it's trying to get itself out of here, and it's not really doing a great job. You can see that it's way far away from the $11, $12 spot. That's about a 50% rally required to get out of this, and so it's a relatively low price stock, but it's still got a long way to go to get out of this bear market. Let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick and see if we can come up with anything there. We can see not good news on this stock. It broke through its support here around $7 or so, and it's done that. I'm not sure exactly how low that is, but it looks like the low sixes, and it's now putting in a rally probably because it's just gotten so cheap that it's worth buying as a value play. This next support down here is $1.71. I'm not suggesting it's going to go that low, but I am suggesting the 200-week moving average is sideways. This stock made a new low. It's below the 20-week moving average. It's just now barely, if you can see it, bouncing up against it, and so this stock is not in good shape from a technical perspective. I don't want to be negative, but it's not. The good news, I would say, is this stock is probably getting sold off. Let's go take a look at the hourly chart. I'm sorry, getting oversold. So let's take a look and see what's going on. I would say that it is not that good of a news because it's not getting oversold. From an hourly perspective, this is a 200-hour moving average here, and oversold will be down here, $6. Instead, we're way up here. So I would say that something's going on with this stock. I don't know if this is short cover rallying. I'm not sure, but from a technical perspective, this stock is severely overbought on an intraday basis. I would look for this stock to fall back down into the mid sevens. It may rally a hair more, depending on what's going on. I don't know if there's fundamental information. I don't follow the fundamentals, but from a technical perspective, the stock's overbought, and I would look for this stock to drop down around 750. That's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but it looks overbought on an intraday basis, and on a weekly basis, I don't see a tremendous amount of energy in this stock at all. So my guess is this is short covering. It's hard to say, but not a huge amount going on in this stock. What needs to happen? What needs to happen, we need to come through here. After we expand this, we need to come through here, and we need to get this stock to get above the 20-day moving average and the 5-day like it is now, but to get it above and work it like a standard rally. Something like this, that's not a great one, but something like this where we get steady ups and downs in the stock, but staying above the 20-day moving average, as you can see here. But we're looking for a stronger, a more steeper slope in the 20-day moving average. So we're looking for a 20-day moving average to look at like a 45-degree angle, and we're looking for the stock to stay above the 20. It can oscillate around the 5, but it needs to stay above the 20, and we need to get above this point right here, which is looks like $9.31. Not that far away. It's about $1 away, but we need to get it up in this range right here, this high 9s, and then we can get a stab at moving past this negative implication of being below the 200-day moving average. The stock's still a bear market stock. There's no question about it. So that's what needs to happen. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. On a short-term basis, RBAM says to buy this stock 1, 5, 20 days. It says to buy at 675 on a 1-day hold, all the way out to 703 on a 20-day hold. These come out every morning, and this one was out at before 7 a.m. The daily range on this stock is $7.46 is the low, so none of these have been hit yet. It said Under Armour UAA was a good buy today, but at a lower price, and it hasn't hit it yet. We'll see what happens. It's saying the same thing I'm saying, that the stock is overbought. So that's what we've got for you on Under Armour today. We come out with 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. You can get access to all of them for free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the stocks, major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts are all covered, algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. Link in the description below. Follow it to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get instant access, free, no credit card required. if you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Please remember that everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You definitely trade at your own risk, and you should always do your own analysis. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol you want us to do an analysis on, please leave it in the comments section below. No guarantees, but we'll take a look at it. And please keep in mind, we can't do independent buy and sell advice.